funky.
Hello guys, welcome back on board. Today we'll be doing a crochet and this is the hair I will be using. It's actually a darling crochet and it just came that style. I already made my braid. I made it myself without mirror. So don't mind the look please. Don't just mind the look. So yeah guys, this crochet comes in a short and a long form. So yeah, I'm going in with a short one, but before then I had to crochet my leftover braid, make it good and make it rhyme with the cornrow and all that, so it won't be separately going up and spoiling the whole thing. So I'm just trying to crochet it down now, and this is my crochet hook. I'm using the big size crochet hook. The smaller one is used for wigs, but this one is good for crocheting hair. So I got that darling crochet for just 1,200 naira, but I got 3 of them, so it's gonna be full. I got the black and the mixed color, and it comes this small. I really wanted something big, but at that point I didn't see anything, so I got this one. So guys, I am about to crochet it. As you can see, you put in your crochet, you bend the hair into two, and then find the center part, put it inside your crochet hook, close your crochet hook, draw it out, and then put the down part in the crochet hook, put it back into the hole and tie it. I don't know if I explained that right, but if you keep following the next set, I think you're gonna get it. Like I said, bring your hair, put your crochet hook in, fix your hair inside of it, draw it out, and then put the down part and tie. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Walk on the ceiling, oh yeah, got me dreaming. Dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. So guys, you can actually double knot this if you really want it. I didn't double knot it, I didn't make it that tight because I'll be losing it very soon. I just want to use it for a very good for one wedding that I wanted to attend. So I just made it and I used it for it lasted for 1 week, and then I took it off so I could retouch my hair. As you can see, my hair is very dude, and that's why it's jatic. So this is another way I did it. Instead of putting the down part at the back to the crochet, I just use my hand to draw it out. Like so, I put the hair on the crochet, bring it out, put my hand, and then I use my hand to tie the knot, my fingers to tie the knot, sorry. So yeah, you can also do it this way, or you can do it this way as well. Put it and then use the hook to bring it out to tie the knot, and then push it in with your finger. So that is just it. So you just have to decide on which to use, and then we keep going to the front and to the front and to the front with the same method. Just keep it going. see, that is just how it is looking. As you can see, the knot isn't that tight because I really don't want it to be that tight. If I really want it to be that tight, I'll just double knot it, so it's gonna last for at least 3 weeks. So I didn't do it this way because number one, my cornrow is rough and my hair is already due. I need to put some relaxer on it, and I don't really want to use the hair for that long. So if I want to repeat this hair again this time around, I will definitely retouch my hair, get it good cornrow, and then good to go.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed.
So we keep going, we keep heading to the front. As we keep going there, I started reducing the space limit. I started making sure that it goes all together, like it goes joined together, so there won't be much space that the cornrow will start showing. At the point I started getting scared because I don't know if the crochet hair is going to be enough. But either way, I just had to keep going, filling in every gap, making it look all good so people won't just suspect much. Though yeah, everybody's gonna know it's cornrow, but it's gonna know it's crochet, but we just have to, keep the vibe going. There are some places I skipped just because I was scared, but later on I had to go back and start filling them in. So guys, this is how it's looking now. I had to crochet the other side. I started going to the other side, and then I started cornrowing it. This is the last part. I started doing it the same way I've always done it, always just crocheting it without giving much space. Mind you, like I said earlier, the crochet hair, the darling crochet hair came in with a longer part and the shorter part. So I started with the shorter part at the back, and then I started using the longer one at the front. So it's gonna go in with the length at the back, because if I start with the longer one at the back, at the front it's just gonna be short. So you have to know that you're supposed to start with a shorter one at the back, and then the longer one at the front. No matter how you want to pack it, it's still gonna be enough, but the front to the back just won't be enough. We keep doing it as usual, putting your crochet, put the hair, bring it out, tidy up, keep it coming, keep it going. Guys, now this is the color that came with the black. I didn't go for all black, and I needed something to lighten it up, to brighten it out, and this color was kind of perfect. It came per pack. It has one of the pack has one, the other one has two, and the other one has one, right? Yeah, so it's actually 4 altogether. So that is what I'm using to just highlight it. I'm just putting it at every corner to make it shiny. It's not much. If it was much, I would have put it at the center and then a few parts, but I put it at the front of my hair just to give me that glowy look. As you can see, there is much changes. There is actually some changes after putting the colored crochet. As you can see, it's already brightened up the whole hair and all that. So yeah, I put 2 at my front, and then I put 1 at one side and the other at the other side. So in case I want to flip the hair all over, like flip it at the side, I'm gonna have that glowy look there. If I want to flip it at the other side, I'm gonna have the glowy look there. But like, I'm just gonna put it all shade in case if I want to pack it all back, then the glowy look is gonna just be at the front. So that is just how I want it to be. So guys, this is just how it is right now. It's just how the finished look is gonna be. I wanted to highlight it some. I just wanted to, put some additional, thing, and then I got this eyelash from the store where I went to buy this hair. So I'm about to apply it. This glue is not permanent glue. It's just a lashes glue for a day.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby.
And so this is how the girl is looking. She's all looking like a pretty damn so. Yeah, guys. So yeah, everybody. So as you can see, the hair now just sweet and cute together with my lashes. This is the back of the hair. You see, it's not that showy despite the space and everything. It's just full and beautiful. Like seriously, I'm just liking it. I'm just feeling myself. Bye bye. Love you.
Welcome to my bedroom, hallway, go down. Stairs got permission.